Okay, so they're raising a lot of funds for charity. And the main charity is the Sick Kids Foundation. So they're the Sick Kids. We've got sponsors here we'd like to thank. We'd also like to thank our chief guest, Jack Lake, for being here with us today. We'd like to thank our sponsor, Mr. Ben Moses, who has donated over $1,000 for this event. Easy. Okay, so can be only 2 people that can proceed to the next round, unfortunately. And the 2 winners of the first round are Nilang Jha, number 3. Let's give him a big round of applause. And our last year's winner, Michelle Gershon. Number 7 here, Troy, has been a clear winner. And the second person that will proceed to the next round is number 2. Yeah!
While we're waiting for the start, there's 30 seconds. And I have a little tiny piece.
Oh yeah.
I've never had the spicy one. Now that you know what this is really like.
You need some water then.
Oh my God!
Water.
You need some water. Okay.
Mr. Prime Minister. Here we go, folks. We're coming down to the count of 10. 10. 9. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Dosa! 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 Dosa!
They actually very spicy, right? So then they're giving them like an it's just being nice to them. I don't know, I haven't tried it.
Halfway through, 1 more minute to go.
Dosa! 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 Dosa!
Number three. Number three.
There's only 15 seconds left.
Number three.
Come on.
Okay. That was fantastic. Okay, guys, let's give them all a big round of applause. Wonderful. Very well done. Very well done. Take the Dosa home. All right. So the winner, the first runner-up for this evening is Mitchell. Let's give a big round of applause. Very good attempt at defending your trophy. Fantastic attempt. And the winner for this year's Spicy Dosa Eating Contest is none other than Nilang Jha. He's our new Dosa King. So, I'd like to thank everyone for participating in this event. We'd like to give away the trophy to the winner. So,
Getting the trophy.
yes.
So I know you can't barely speak right now.
Wow!
It seems to me you developed the new jaw technique. It was like a Hoover vacuum up here. You could feel the air flowing. It looks like you've been in training for months. Now, and to all of the runner-up, I had one piece. I don't know how you just ate 4, 5, or 6 of these dosas. So we wish you well. There's a drugstore down the street. Drink lots of milk, lassi. And here we are with the trophy, everybody. Let's have a big round of applause one more time. And let's hear it for the chefs.
No, my coach.
The chefs. Come on up here, coach. I want you as my coach. Thank you very much. All right.
Next Prime Minister.
Carter.
Next Prime Minister and my coach. YouTube that tonight.
Yeah, on the YouTube. And thanks. Remember, all the proceeds are going to a charity and to help out others who are less fortunate, and we appreciate that. Thank you again.